Welcome to another video from softechonline. This video is on tips and tricks on WhatsApp. Hope you will enjoy this. Trick 1. How to send messages to a new number, without saving it in your contacts. Trick 2. How to send messages to your own number. Trick 3. How to preview the recorded messages before sending them. Normally we will have to add the new number to our contact list, before sending a WhatsApp message to that number. Open the internet browser, like Chrome on your mobile, and enter w.me/91, followed by the number you wish to send the message, as shown in the image. You will be prompted with this page. Click on Continue to Chat, to start messaging with the new number. With the previous trick, you can send messages to your own number as well, by type your own number in the said URL. With this trick, you can make notes on WhatsApp, without sending them to anyone. You may also use this technique for checking messages, and media to check how they will look like, before sending them. Trick 3. How to play preview audio messages before sending them. Normally when we record our voice in WhatsApp chat, there will not be any play button available. We can only delete it or send it. Once we complete the recording, press the home button or the recent app button, and open WhatsApp again. You will now be able to see a play button on the media. You can play and preview before sending or delete it. Hope you enjoyed these tricks. Kindly give a like to this video, and subscribe to our channel, so that you will get notified when we upload more such videos.